Good afternoon. What happened, Rose? How are
Good
you?
morning, sir.
Good,
Good afternoon.
good morning. It's morning time.
Sir, why are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording sometimes to uh, see the classes later.
Sir, the host has recording meeting भन्दैरह.
Yeah, you are right. I started recording now.
Okay, sir, record.
Okay, which exercise you studied yesterday?
Sir, perimeter exercise
Oh,
number
yeah,
one.
perimeter. Very good.
Perimeter.
Let's go in perimeter. Let's go in perimeter.
Sir, today 2 number.
Okay.
अभी email पहाड़ तराइले.
Hey, you want to read that? Read everybody. Then I will start
email पहाड़
exercise.
तराई कोही छैन पराई.
Academy. Imal Pahatarai, Kevi Sanya Parai, Toda Academy.
Okay, good.
Sir, तपाईँले हामीलाई लिंक कहाँबाट पठाउनुहुन्छ?
Why you need that? किन चाहियो भन त? Yeah.
Link पठाउँछ link.
Okay, if you need, I will tell. But now let's learn the questions.
Sir,
One.
सर वेदा एपबाट हो.
No.
One is
From-
finished. One is finished.
सर कहाँबाट?
SMS goes from Veda, but when you ask the ID, that time I sent from Zoom.
कहाँबाट गरेर सर?
Zoom बाट.
सर मैले जुमबाटै पढेको त हो नि.
Okay. Exercise is 18 or which 6, I think.
ए मुझको
Let's solve direct. Exercise पनि हेर्दिम न. Exercise 8.1. के भनेको पागल कर गए यहाँ. 8.1.
Sir,
Okay. Question number 1. AB I taught you yesterday. Let's learn C पनि गर्दिम एकचोटी, because some of you maybe you are confused.
Sir, easy.
Yeah.
Sir, easy peasy, don't do. 2A, sir, 2A. Easy peasy.
Okay.
Do not-
Be quiet. Perimeter equal to.
Okay.
Perimeter equal to. P equal to. Either you can once write sum of all side as formula. Actually लिख दिम. Okay, now add all the sides given in the figure. Okay, equal to one, either you can write direct centimeter how much given, or once you can write name also. Name लेखेर पनि धेरैले फुलमा गर्ने बानी हुन्छ. Once let write name also. T बाट गरौँ. TU plus UV plus VX plus XY plus
Sir,
yes.
हेर्नु न मैले यो होइन 1
Yes,
नम्बरको
yes.
डी लाई के भन्छ नै थाहा छैन के मलाई 1 नम्बरको डी लाई के भन्छ त्यो
I will tell. Wait a minute. Which figure is that? You want to ask which figure is that?
सर
Yes.
this one sir this one
एकछिन हेरौँ म क्यामेरामा आ गया. I didn't see.
सर मैले यहाँ स्क्रिनमा त्यो मार्क गरेको छु
Mark गरेको छु. Yeah, D number that is combination of rectangles. combination of three rectangles is that. तीनवटा rectangle लाई
Okay,
जोडेर एउटा
sir.
figure बनाएको छ. Three
Sir,
rectangle.
so I will write combination rectangle.
Yeah, you can write
Combine rectangle.
perimeter of the figure. You can write perimeter of the figure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Yx plus xt. Now put values. Numbers are not clear there. You should help me, okay? Tu is given 10. Is that 10? 10 cm. Plus after that 12 cm.
Perimeter.
Plus next is how much? Vx is how much? Tell me one of you. Vx how much? कति सेन्टिमिटर छ? Tell me. ल भनेन मै बुकमा हेर्छु ल. Where is book? Here.
Of
Okay, 15 centimeter. Vx is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. After that, next side is 2 cm. Next to that, yx is 4 plus after yx last xt is 3 cm.
Sir, I have to
Now-
write.
Yeah, right.
plus
Now we can write answer by adding
why?
10 plus 12. Let's add all number.
Sir, 46.
Sir,
46, correct. You are right. 46 centimeter is answer. Write this a C number. After this, I will either I will solve completely or I will give you hint about D also. D को कसरी
sir.
गर्ने भनेर.
Sir, hint.
Sir,
Sir, you
it is
can-
also same.
Yeah.
Sir, TUUB जैसा लिखना पड़ेगा.
Sir, you are recording.
Yeah. Our class is
Very
recording.
good. Very good.
Good afternoon. Sir.
Good afternoon.
Who are telling now? Good afternoon. This is good morning. Good night.
आफ्टरनून नहीं हो.
B के बच्चा है.
Okay. Let's go in next. D.
क्लास अफ त्यो हजुरले अहिले हामीले गरिरहनु भएको नि
Yeah.
अनि त्यो पेरिमिटरको त्यो रेक्टाङ्गल से अलि सुन्दै गरे भन न त्यो पेरिमिटरको क्वेशन नम्बर सी को त्यो ड्रा गरे हा नि
Okay.
किताबमा हो कपमा ड्रा गर्ने पेनले
A pen figure you should draw with pencil. Figure pencil ले draw गरेको राम्रो. Pencil ले draw गर्नुस्.
Sir, मेरो पनि answer 46 ऐ आएको छ.
Okay, very good. Okay, good. Listen about D also. Can I go in D number?
Per.
Okay, ल. यसलाई तल सार्दिए मैले. अब D मा जाऊँ. नभए डिस्टर्ब हुन्थ्यो. Wait, once just you should understand the figure first. Figure बुझेन भने त सकिन्न नि त. You tell me one thing. I'm showing you something. I drew one line. This side height given 5 centimeter. Then right side also what will be height or length of this side? यतातिर पनि कति हुन्छ right side तिर पनि? That will be also how much? Tell me. 5. Good. La bujnu bho good. So let's write there 5. I wrote there 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay. Again listen. Length here below. म तल लेख्छु एउटा है straight line draw गर्छु भन्नु होला. Length of this figure is total length 7 centimeter given. Total चाहिँ 7 रहेछ. 7 and only this much. Off side को हेर्नुस्. only this much is 2 यति मात्र 2 छ माथि दिएको छ 2 यति मात्र 2 रहेछ अनि यहाँदेखि बीचको this much is 3 2 3 5 भने यो लास्टको यति मात्र बाँकी कति होला लास्टको यो हाइट यो लेन्थ यो कति बाँकी होला how much this offside I drew 3 plus 2 5 plus how much equal to 7 ल क्वेशन्स मार्क दिन्छु नि तपाईहरु भन्नुस् size of this side will be ल क्वेशन्स लेखेको ठाउँमा कति हुन्छ भन्नुस् this side will be how much
Sir, 2 cm.
very good 3 plus 2 5 5 plus 2 will be 7 okay good so there write 2 now in the figure 2 cm now tell me one thing all sides we got as all side is given as yeah all sides are given as now all sides given so we can find perimeter very easily let's find the perimeter now perimeter of the figure equal to d number perimeter of the figure perimeter of the figure p equal to add all sides start from anywhere jahaबाट start गर्दा नि भयो I'm starting from left side 2 cm plus 5 cm plus 7 cm plus 5 cm plus 2 cm plus 2 cm plus 3 cm and at last plus 2 cm. This much you can write or before this once you can write formula also equal to sum of all sides पनि लेख्न पायो sum of all sides then in next line let's add the numbers what will be sum that will be answer 2 plus 5 7 plus 7 14 14 plus 5 19 2 21 plus 2 23 plus 3 26 plus 2 28 centimeter 28 centimeter
त्यहाँनेरि अप्सन देखाइरहेको छ लिफ्ट क्लास कि कन्टिन्यू लिफ्ट क्लास भन्ने मैले त्यहाँ टिपेर रेकर्ड भयो कन्टिन्यू क्लास त्यही गर्दै अनि रेकर्ड भइरहेको छ
okay answer is
रेकर्ड
28
रेकर्ड भयो सर रियाज कस्तो म्युट गरेर बोले
hello Riyaz be silent after this we should go in next number 2 let's go in number 2 are you ready to go into to learn to number 2 okay
I'm typing
you are writing okay right I will wait for you in 2 given find the perimeter of the rectangles hello are you here
yes sir
suddenly dismissed something wrong happened let's go into number केही चाहिँ सिस्टममा प्रब्लम आएर यस्तो भयो अचानक है number
B
D number you can add all sides
sir
yes
okay sir I need the number I'm writing
okay number 2a length given length of rectangle is given 10 centimeter. After that, breadth, right, breadth written b in shortcut. Short form breadth is b. B equal to breadth is given 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter. Perimeter is not given. Perimeter p equal to, we can write question mark. Question mark means not given or unknown. था छैन है. Now write it, we know that, or according to formula you can write. We know that perimeter of rectangle is rectangle p equal to, there is formula 2 into L plus B, 2 multiply L plus B. Okay, after this we can put values of length and breadth. Put values. Equal to 2 into length is 10 and breadth is 5. To multiply, first add the numbers given inside bracket. Bracket भित्र दिएको number पहिले add गर्नुस्. Multiply second step मा 10 plus 5 is 15. Now we can multiply also. 2 multiply 15 is 30. So 30 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Right, this much. After this I will teach you next questions. That will be
Sir, 2D गर्नु है यसपछि.
D. Okay, I will do 2D also, no problem. Okay, I am going to solve this 2D in right side. Okay, D, in D we can write here also given length breadth है. Length L is given how much? 24.5, 25.4, 25.4 cm. Now write breadth. Breadth B equal to given.
Sir, यहाँ
17.6.
नम्बर 2 मा find the perimeter of the rectangles भनेको छ. त्यो हामीले रेक्टेंगल बनाउनु पर्छ हो.
No need. If figure is not given, then no need to draw. And if you want to draw yourself, draw गर्न मन लाग्यो भने गर्न पायो, but questions ले चाहिँ गर्नै पर्छ भनेको छैन है. Okay, and if in questions given figure like one number, then you must draw figure. Questions दिएकै छ भने draw गर्नै पर्यो. In 2 number no need to draw. 2 number no need to draw. Okay, here perimeter not given. Perimeter P equal to, just write question mark, not given. We know that perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus P. Two into multiply, into means multiply. Length is 25.4 plus breadth is 17.6. Equal to 2 multiply Now add both of the number. Listen, I'm saying you something. After point there is 4 plus 6, hey? 4 plus 6 will be 10. 4 plus 6 will be how much? 10. And 10 after point, that 10 point is 1 unit. So 1 unit we can write before point to that 10. 25 plus 17 add, and in that 1 add. 25 plus 18 we can add. Okay.
सर यो ई नम्बर को के भएको मेटे ह
43.
सर
E number, yes, yes.
हैन 2 को a को यहाँ मेटे जस्तो भयो
Where? In my screen?
यस सर हेर्नु न
एकछिन
म यहाँ
म त्यस
केही लेखेकै छैन यहाँ
मेटिया जस्तो भाष भने ल अब देखियो
सर
Yes.
10 plus 5 सर यो 2 को पछाडि हुन्छ
त्यस्तै छ 2 को पछाडी नै छ के त्यो तल मैले लेफ्टमा सारे नि त्यो बीचसम्म थियो के
Yes,
लेफ्टमा
sir.
सार्दा त्यस्तो देखियो के
ए सर ए ल
हेलो हेलो हेटौडा एकाडेमी हजुर खुला छ जुनबाट नि आउनुस् हो दुवै गेट खुला छ ल ओके
सर त हेलो हेरेर
हेलो ओके लिसन 2 चाहिँ लेफ्टमै थियो है यो पुरै फोटोज राइट सम्म थियो मैले लेफ्ट तिर सारेर अर्को गरे नभए क्वेशन्स माथि जान्थ्यो त्यही भएर ओके अन्डरस्टुड या इट्स शोइङ आज्ञा showing in my screen म मोबाइलमा पनि चेक गरिरहेछु this much
यस सर
centimeter
त्यो सर
Yes.
10 plus 5 चाहिँ यतापट्टि सरिएछ के
सरी छ त्यो राइटमा हुनु पर्ने हो राइटमा क्वेशन्स माथि जान्थ्यो त्यही भएर मैले लेफ्टमा सार दिएको के अन्डरस्टुड त म फेरि लेख्दिमला नो प्रब्लम
यस सर सर पर्दैन मैले बुझे सर
ओके
बुझे
गुड
पर्दैन
ओके 2 into 43 is 86 centimeter is the perimeter of number D, rectangle given in D. See, now I'm solving this number D. It's on that those questions, questions ko mathi cha over that. When I will start to solve other questions, अर्को नम्बर जब म सोल्भ गर्छु नि यो चाहिँ लेखेको माथि जान्छ त्यही भएर यसलाई मैले राइटमा सार दिएको अन्डरस्टुड यसमा नि हेर्नुस् मैले क्लिक गरे लेखेको माथि गयो त्यस्तो नहोस् भनेर सारेको के बट आई क्यान मुभ दिस सी आई एम मुभिङ दिस इन राइट साइड ओके नेक्स्ट नम्बर ABCD you can do easily now. I want to go in number 3. Number. Once you read questions, please find the perimeter of the square given. Okay.
Find the perimeter of the square.
Okay, good. Given here length. Length of a square is given. Just one side given in a square, then that is length. Here we can write length of a square. Length of a square or length in shortcut write length. Length of a square is given in a number 4 cm. 4 cm. A equal to you can write 4 cm, no problem. But after that in second line, length equal to write, okay? In second line, length equal to 4 cm. Perimeter is not given. Perimeter P equal to, just write question mark. We have to find. We know that perimeter equal to perimeter of a square equal to perimeter of a square p equal to formula is yesterday I taught you I explained about formula yesterday. You tell me perimeter of a square is
L multiply L.
no 4 multiply L.
4
L multiply L multiply L is formula to find area of square. But perimeter of a square formula is 4L, 4 multiply L. Put values equal to 4 multiply L is 4 cm. So answer will be 4 4 ja 16 centimeters.
18.
Okay. Is it okay now? I wrote multiply 2 and equal to also to the left of 10 plus 15.
सर अब डी नंबर को गरिदिनु न
Okay, okay. D number of 3, 3D. Okay, let's go in 3D.
यस सर
Let's go in 3D shape. In 3D given length equal to length equal to A given that A is length, okay, 5.6 cm.
Sir, I don't know 3C.
3C, you can do easily. 3C, wait, you don't know 6.7 multiplied 4 will be how much? Yes, am I right? ल म हिन्ट दिन्छु सुन है 6 4 जा सबैले आउँछ बट 0.7 4 जा will be 2.8 6 4 जा कति 24 मा 2.8 जोड्दा कति 26.8 आन्सर हुन्छ सी नम्बर ओके पेरिमिटर इक्वल टु
Sir, tell again.
अगेन ओके लिसन केयरफुली सुन्नुस् है 4 multiply 6.7 we need नो 6.7 मा टुक्रा टुक्रा पारेर पनि मल्टिप्लाई गरेर बुझ्नु पर्छ के सुन्नुस् 6 multiply 4 कति हुन्थ्यो भन्नुस् त 6 multiply 4 कति हुन्थ्यो
24.
ल 24 चाहिँ सम्झिराख्नुस् अब ल अर्को भनौं 0.7 छ नि 0.7 0.7 multiply 4 कति point 7 4 जा कति
28.
28 point भनेको 2.8 हो के हो त्यो दैट इज 2.8
2.8
24 मा 2.8 जोड्नुस् त कति हुन्छ 26 point हाउ मच 26.8 है ओके
26 and 8
अंडरस्टुड
Yes, sir.
गुड पहिले कहीं यस्तो सर्टकट ट्रिक लाउनु पर्छ है perimeter of a square is
Sir,
yes
sir, yo, sir, 3 को sir mate sir यो आदि.
3 को
Sorry, sir यो sir यतापटि के sir यो.
okay now see is it looking now
Sir, बल्ल बल्ल देखे.
okay good a perimeter of a square is 4L equal to 4 multiply length is 5.6. Listen here also. यहाँ पनि सुनेर सिक्नुस् है. Listen. Point पछिको 6 multiply 4 कति हुन्छ? You tell me. तपाईहरु भन्नुस्. 6 multiply 4 will be how much? Tell me. Hello Rose, Jonas ma'am. 6 multiply 4 will be how much? 24. Okay. Okay, listen. 24 point means that is 2.4. त्यति point पछिको छ भने that is 2.4. 2.4 जोड्नु होला ल. 5 4 is how much now? 5 4
Sir, 20.
Okay, 20 add that 2.4. 20 मा 2.4 जोड्नुस् त. 20 plus 2.4.
20 plus
22.4. 22.4 centimeter answer. Right this much.
answer.
Good.
22.4 answer, sir.
Correct. Good. Okay, write this much. After this, if possible, then I will teach you some more questions. First, write this much. When you are confused in any step, you should ask questions. नबुझेको step सोधेपछि पो अझ म सिकाउँछु हैन र. If you will not ask questions, you will not learn more. Okay. If you want to learn any exercise properly, है, deeply, then you should ask questions. पढाउँदा पढाउँदै बिचमा जहिले नि क्वेशन्स गर्नु पर्छ. अनि बढी सिकिन्छ. अनि म पनि अझ सिकाउँछु. ओके. After 3D, I want to go in 4. Can I solve one questions from 4 number? Hello, Precious Chawla guy. Anything you want to ask? You have raised hand.
सर झुके त्यसलाई ह.
Okay. But when you raise hand, what I understand that is, you want to ask something. कसैलाई केही सोध्नु छ भनेर हात उठाएको छ. Okay. 4 number. After this, I will do. Now I'm raising just 2A, and I will solve 4A. Oh, sorry. Control. Okay. This
Sir, you are robbing 2A.
one. Yeah, you need that. Do you need that?
No, sir.
लेखेको छैन भने म फिर्ता ल्याइदिन सक्छु है.
3D पल्ला आयो.
Okay.
अघि देखेको थिएन के.
Number 4. What is given in 4? Read once. Find the perimeter of equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles formula, perimeter formula is 3L or 3A. 3A पनि भन्न पायो. लेखौं. In A number,
Sir,
write first. Yes.
You are solving 4A.
Yeah, 4A.
Okay, sir.
सुन्नुस् है 4A मा. A given. A equal to given 4 cm. A means one side. Perimeter is not given. Perimeter not given. Unknown. Now we can write, we know that perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A. Perimeter of equilateral triangle P equal to 3L or 3A also we can write. I have written A, so write 3A. When we write L, then 3L. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A. 3 into A. Now put values. equal to 3 multiply one side of this triangle is given 4 centimeters. So multiply 3 with 4. Okay, 3 by 4, 3 4 is 12. Perimeter of this equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. We have no more time. Okay, this much for today. Rest of the questions I will teach you tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, and point one
I will do, no problem. I will do that. I will teach you. Just you listen me what I'm saying about that point, about that decimal. Tomorrow you can ask me, okay? Understood?
Sir,
Yes?
sir,
Tell me.
आज हामी कति नम्बरसम्म गरिरहेछौँ?
आज हामी 4 सम्म गरिरहेछौँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Because only up to 4 we did, hey? Tomorrow I will teach you the rest of the questions. त्यसम्म राखौँ न ल.
Bye bye, sir.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye bye, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Oh, sir, नहीं गए मुझे.
Have a good day. Bye bye, sir.
Bye, bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, bye, sir. Ayush,
Sir.
Ayush.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, no,
Call.